What is this? What is this? What is this? My man was just saying, do you want stand up? Can't you start this week? Oh God, I can't stand. I can't stand with Jesus. This is me early in the morning. I decided to install it because this my man was just saying, do you want stand up? Can't install this week. I can't carry the week I was installing it. This is me putting glue. Putting glue. Because I saw people putting glue. I put the glue or I blow dry. Blow dry. Hey. On your wig. Yeah. This is me. Yeah. This is me cutting the edges. Oh God. I can't start. I can't assemble Jesus. I can't cut that. Okay. Moge. I can't look like Jesus, black Jesus. I say, okay, let me change it another time. I don't know what to say at this point anymore. Because what is this? What is this?